गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आई नो बहुत लोगों की मॉर्निंग नहीं है एंड नॉर्मली दिस इज़ नॉट कंसिडर्ड मॉर्निंग. आई ऑल्सो नो दिस इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट एस्थेटिक vlog frame that you can see, but this is what it is and this is who I am. This is literally the max conversation I'm having उठते ही. So consider yourself lucky. Sorry. But yeah, okay, so मैं काफ़ी टाइम से सोच रही थी कि आई वांट टू मेक अ व्लॉग लाइक दिस व्हेन आई शो यू हाउ आई स्क्वीज इन माय CFA लेवल 3 स्टडीज़ इन अ डे, व्हाट आई एक्चुअली डू इन अ डे टू द टी. और मैं जैन से ये करने का सोच रही थी, बट आई वाज लाइक आई डू इट व्हेन आई एम बिकम अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन, व्हेन आई वेक अप एट 5 AM 6 AM. नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है. बट वो तो हो नहीं रहा. तो मैंने बोला why not do what I always do on this channel, that is be honest, be authentic, show you what I actually am and grow through it, because I'm genuinely trying. मैं इससे भी ज़्यादा लेट उठती थी. I'm kind of getting better. Of course today for the vlog I tried even harder, so I was actually up by 11:30 and out of bed before 12. Big achievement. Okay, please clap for me. Now, before people make rumors and troll me about it, not that I care, but do I wake up every day at this time? Yes, unless I have something in the morning, something that cannot be pushed to the night or the evening or the afternoon. So maybe a dance class, a meeting. Meetings के लिए तो मैं मतलब उठ ही जाती हूँ. I love working. I'm quite a workaholic in that, touch wood. तो ऐसा कुछ होता है तो I'm always up. An event, anything like that, I'll be up. But अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो मैं क्यों त्यागूँ अपनी नींद, मुझे ये लगता है. Then everything else happens afterwards, because everything else can happen afterwards. Now today is a Monday. Normally मेरी 12-12:30 बजे डांस क्लास होती है, but we have a holiday over there because कोई टीचर का पर्सनल काम है, which is fine. So how my day goes by today थोड़ा सा different होगा than regular Mondays because of that one aspect. But in general, आज का मेन ब्लॉग है कि will I be able to squeeze in time to study for my CFA level 3 exam. So I'm currently studying derivatives and I did not meet my weekend target actually, that's the thing, because I got my period and I was unwell. तो जो मुझे weekend पे पढ़ना था, that is not being completed. I know कि I will not be able to complete it today. I will not be able to compensate it fully today. In fact, Mondays I usually do not study at all because my day is pretty hectic. But I want to see if I can squeeze in some time, even if it is half an hour, just for my personal satisfaction. So yeah, I'll take you through the day. Abhi ke liye first things first, I need to be a little more awake. So I'm gonna have my water, I'm gonna have my chai. Those are things that keep me up. And while I'm doing that, actually first water तो I'll have just like that. While I'm having my chai, I'll check my emails. जब मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा ज़िंदा हूँ, अच्छे से रिप्लाई कर सकती हूँ. नहीं तो क्या ना, corporate world में people are not accepting of this हुलिया. Also the next clip of mine that you'll see, I'll be looking much more better and presentable. थोड़ा background sound आएगा because देसी household and कोई मेरे लिए अपना काम नहीं उठने वाला. But yeah, see you. Hi guys, so I told you you're gonna see me in a better situation. I think this is better. I'm still getting ready. So it's about 2 PM right now. I got a little busy in a work conversation. I told you कि I need to check my emails and reply to them. Honestly, I haven't finished it yet because one or two conversations took a little longer than I expected. But ठीक है, it was highly needed. Monday morning भी है तो my Monday है तो I just wanted to make sure that those things are pushed out. तो सबसे पहले मैंने वो किया. I had a little bit of breakfast. मंडे को पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ना इतना खाने का दिल नहीं करता. प्लस आई एम ऑन माई पीरियड, इवन मोर मुझे खाने का मन नहीं करता. सो इट वॉज नॉट एनीथिंग वर्थ व्लॉगिंग किया नहीं. बट द चाय वॉज मच नीडेड एज यू गाइज नो. अभी मैंने नहा लिया है. आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट माई सनस्क्रीन, दैट्स इट. एंड थोड़ा सा ब्रश माई हेयर. आई हैड रिमूव्ड द हेयर बैंड एंड ऑल, बट देन मैंने कहा कि वो कितने सेकंड में दिखाऊंगी, 2 सेकंड. एंड आई डू नॉट वांट टू लाई इन दिस vlog as much as possible. Although I've noticed one thing, since I'm vlogging, I'm ultra productive. Like, I'm more polished productive. मतलब काम तो मेरे वही है, I cannot change it, but I'm more polished than I would have possibly been on another day. Oh my god! Wow! Anyway, point being, abhi I am going to the gym. I had actually decided to first plan my entire week because I'm a sucker for planning. बट मैंने कहा नहीं, पहले फटाफट जिम होके आती. लेट मी जस्ट चॉक दैट आउट ऑफ माई डे बिकॉज टुडे इज एक्चुअली अ स्लाइटली लॉन्ग डे. प्लस आई वॉन्ट टू एड CFA लेवल 3 की पढ़ाई, तो इवन लॉन्गर इफ दैट हैपन्स. तो मैंने कहा फटाफट से जाके लेट मी जस्ट चॉक दैट आउट. ऑल्सो
pro tip, going to the gym at this time is like the best because log nahi hote and I hate a crowded gym. So yeah, let me just put my sunscreen and then I'm leaving. Just sunscreen. So you know, when I said that I'm being a little more productive, I basically meant it for the sunscreen because कितनी बार लाइफ में मैंने ये चीज़ लगाना भूली है, इतने कि मेरे 100 सनस्क्रीन एक्सपायर हो गए. बट टुडे सिंस वी आर व्लॉगिंग आई सेड यू नो व्हाट, बी एट योर बेस्ट बिकॉज आप सब मुझे देख रहे हो, फिर आप सब मुझे जज करोगे, सो आई वांट टू बी एट माय बेस्ट. बट दिन चलते चलते आप देखोगे कि यार इसका बेस्ट भी शायद बेस्ट नहीं है. बट एनीवे, आई नीड टू स्टॉप टॉकिंग. टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना है, बहुत काम है. बाय. Okay, so I know I said that I will go to the gym first, then plan my week. But gym के plan के लिए मुझे 15 मिनट रुकना पड़ेगा for some personal reasons. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है 15 मिनट है. It will not take me longer than that to plan my week. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have this planner. I get it made every single year. And every Monday, I do this without fail. कभी कभी डिले भी हो जाता है तो मैं midnight में भी कर लेती हूँ. But I just need to write down my entire week's टू डू कि मुझे मंडे को ये करना है, ट्यूसडे को ये करना है, वेंसडे को करना है, थर्सडे को करना है. आई हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ हैबिट, क्योंकि मुझे इतना कोई फ़र्क नहीं लगता अगर मैं आधे टाइम फ़ोन पे ही चेक करती हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक कम बैक हियर एंड चेक. बट समवेयर मेरी आदत बन गई. इट्स लाइक अ रूटीन कि मंडे को मुझे पेपर पेन से लिखना है, इसी पेन से लिखना है. एंड आई हेट चेंज. So only because of that, I'm gonna do this as a compulsory task of my day. And like I said, 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा, इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So yeah, let's quickly do that. Also guys, I know the aesthetics of today's vlog is not the best. I'm just learning. Also I'm not very good at this. I'm not very amazing at sharing my personal life. तो थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे भी गड़बड़ हो रहा है. But I'm trying my best. If you guys like this vlog, maybe a proper study vlog in the future, any such vlog that I make in the future, I will try my best to get the aesthetic better. ओके, सो आज के लिए मुझे माफ़ कर दो. लेट्स क्विकली फिल इस हफ्ते का टू डू बिकॉज करना है यार. मतलब इतना रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. करना है मतलब करना है, बात ख़त्म. करो नहीं. पेन खुला ही था. एनीवेज, आई सी यू इन अ बिट. Hi guys, so it's 7:30 p.m. right now. Quite some time since you actually saw me last on this vlog, and now I'm getting ready to shoot for my weekly content. I pretty much do this every Monday, so all my planning, shooting, every single thing content related, like the major bits, are done on Monday. I bulk shoot and then I give it to my intern and then it's pretty much taken care of. For today I still have to shoot little less matlab one long video, 5 reels, काफी less, but yeah, that's what I have to do. For some reason, I don't know, I'm feeling very sluggish. I think I could have easily completed this task 1 hour before, or at least, you know, gotten onto it. मतलब अभी तक हो जाता. I should have completed it by now. That was the plan. But for some reason, आज मुझे बहुत low सा लगा. I don't know. I thought vlogging will make me very excited, and I am, and I'm trying to be more productive. But for some reason, I don't know. Maybe I'm on my period. That's why थोड़ी सी तबीयत वैसे भी down थी. I even thought going to the gym will perk me up, but clearly nothing has worked. जैसे तैसे I'm like, no, you have to do it. तो gym से आके, by the way, I had my lunch. I worked on the content, like I just completed the final bits, jotted down all the important points that need to be remembered because I obviously cannot memorize all of it. And now just quickly doing a very halka fulka makeup. I'm really not up for doing a proper makeup, and then we'll shoot. After this, however, I have to work on a very important document which I have personally procrastinated since days. That is my fault. So usually Monday is it's a very hectic day because it's shoot day. Planning plus shooting, it usually takes a lot of time. Plus on Tuesday, I have my CFA customized study calls. Like we started from Tuesday onwards. I have 8 to 9 calls tomorrow, and I have to pre-look at it on Monday. So even though I know their progress day in, day out, every Monday I have to update their plan. I personally check their test scores to the T, so I know okay, they're doing better in this particular chapter, they're getting worse, they're staying stagnant. What should the plan be updated, should the plan stay as is, can it be more aggressive, progressive, everything. So that will be done. But before I reach that point, I have to work on this extra document that has come up. So that's why today seemed even more hectic. I'm hoping that I plug in that one lecture, chota sa hi lecture, it's just a 30-minute lecture, but I'm just hoping I do it. And now with this sluggish feeling, मेरे को और थोड़ा सा डाउट्स हो गए. प्लस my team wants to keep an internal meeting, basically a conversation running. We've been in talks about something, so 30-minute का conversation we're gonna see if we're able to plug it in today. That's not compulsory, but एक है और मेरे मन में भी रहेगा कि ठीक है better आज ही कर लो. तो see by the end of it if I've started, if I could study that one CFA level 3 lecture or not. Hope and pray. Abhi I will quickly go complete my makeup, take the video. दिस इज़ नॉट अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल ना, कोई मेरे को देख के ये नहीं बोलेगा ऐसे क्यों लगाया वैसे क्यों लगाया, बिकॉज मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ. इट्स फाइन, इट विल वर्क हाउ एवर इट इज. बट या, नाउ आई शूट द वीडियो एंड आई सी यू इन अ बिट.
Hi guys, so it's 3:15 a.m. and I have just completed my work for today. No complaints. I love Mondays. I don't love Mondays. I like my work, so touch wood for that. But yeah, the document that I told you, मुझे 1 घंटा लगेगा नहीं, मुझे 3 hours लगे उसको complete करने में. And I was not even, getting distracted or anything. I was so focused. In fact, TV चल रहा था background में. My mom was watching some drama, guess if you know. एंड मैं ऐसे ही उनके साथ बैठ रही थी, बिकॉज मेरे को लगा था चलो मैं भी देख लूँगी, इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा. बट मेरा कहीं ध्यान नहीं गया, मुझे पता ही नहीं उस एपिसोड में क्या हुआ, कुछ नहीं ध्यान गया, पूरा मेरा फोकस उस डॉक्यूमेंट में चला गया. बट नो कंप्लेंट्स, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इट्स फाइनली डन एंड डस्टेड. एंड ऑल्सो मुझे ना, आई डोंट नो वाई, लाइक लास्ट 10-15 दिन, नॉट 10-15 दिन, सॉरी, लास्ट वीक, 1 week, हाँ एग्जैक्टली 1 week, लिटिल लेस देन अ वीक से मुझे लग रहा था कि यार पता नहीं विल आई बी एबल टू मेक दिस डॉक्यूमेंट द वे आई एम एनविजनिंग इट for my business. I was a little unsure. I don't know why, I was doubting that one. I mean, I do know why, but I can't explain why right now. But I was very unsure कि यार मैं कर पाऊँगी कि नहीं. I was almost, considering to outsource it. Or I was like, let me just first gather all the data, then maybe outsource it for somebody to make it. I don't know why I kept thinking in these lines. In fact, I had even gathered all the data. That's why I thought कि मुझे सिर्फ 1 घंटा लगेगा, because data तो already है मेरे पास. But today I made it, and touch wood, it's exactly the way I envisioned it to be, and I made it on my own. So I'm so proud of myself. Touch wood, it's just like a small win. And when you're doing your own thing, these small wins really, really matter. And I just want to say that in case you are looking for a sign कि क्या मुझसे ये होगा, हाँ होगा, 110% होगा. तुम स्टार्ट करो बस. हम ना आलसी ज़्यादा होता है, बस यही प्रॉब्लम है. ये हमारे जो ओवर थिंकिंग, फियर्स, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज़ प्योरली आउट ऑफ आवर आलस, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी. आई एम जोकिंग, ऑब्वियसली अदर रीजन्स भी होते हैं, बट एक रीज़न आलस भी होता है, लाइक लेजीनेस. सो जस्ट स्टार्ट, हो जाएगा, आई एम श्योर हो जाएगा. और बाय द वे, ये जो मेरा ऐसा not so appealing look, it's because my kajal has fellofied and now my eyes are watering. Also, I've got a cold, guys. I've got a cold. Remember, मैंने evening में बोला था I'm feeling low. Remember, see that clip again.
Flashback.
I'm feeling very sluggish. I think I could have.
Yeah, that's because I'm getting a cold. I've just taken an anti-allergen, antihistamine apparently उसको बोलते हैं. मुझे recently पता चला for not a very good reason. But yeah, I can't say कि उसके वजह से मुझे नींद आ गई, because I pretty much take one every other day. I have very high allergic levels, and जो हालत हुई पड़ी है ना एयर लेवल्स की, एयर क्वालिटी की, तो वैसे ही मुझे लेनी पड़ती है. So yeah, it's that. आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिट हो रहा है. Anyway, after that, after completing the document, I also completed updating all the CFA study plans जिनके calls कल scheduled हैं, only उनके, बाकी क्योंकि accordingly कल होगा Wednesday का whatever. तो कल मेरे 8 कॉल scheduled हैं for them. तो 8 लोगों के plans मैंने update किए. As you guys can see, I literally check everything, right from their weekly scores per chapter. If it's a test, their scores, if they're doing better in that, is the score getting better, getting worse, staying stagnant, everything is recorded. And the plans are also pretty in detail. We set weekly targets, and then we literally give you a detailed roadmap, weekday, weekend, separate, of how to achieve that particular target. So yeah, that's how the plans look. In case you are wanting one for your CFA study journey, comment CFA and I will share the link with you. Also, description box में वैसे वो link है, you can directly fill the form. But in case you want the link from me, तो you can even comment CFA. दोनों बेस से आपको मिल जाएगा. And now I will complete that CFA concept that I was studying for level 3 for my own पढ़ाई. So in my study plan for myself, for my CFA level 3, I actually do not study on Monday. मैंने आपको बताया था ना,
And this is why, because my Mondays are pretty hectic. No complaining, I love it. May it always be more hectic than even this. बट या मैंने क्या चैलेंज ले लिया ना आप लोगों से, ऐसे व्लॉग के चक्कर में, कंटेंट के चक्कर में अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार दी तो now, because the competitive Scorpio in me will not let the challenge go like this, तो अब मैं वो कॉन्सेप्ट अब ही कंप्लीट करूँगी सुबह के 3:15 AM. दैट्स बेसिकली इट्स 25-minute वीडियो, जिसमें से थोड़ा मैं देख चुकी हूँ. सो आई थिंक 15 minutes इज़ लेफ्ट. While watching the video I have to make notes and then I have to read that concept. So that's my process for today that I have to complete, and I will. अभी हम वो करेंगे. चलो let's do. And yeah man, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog again. You tell me. If you guys give me a good response, then I'll show you a full study day vlog जिसमें मतलब मेरा main core focus of the day is पढ़ाई. So comment Tani make vlog and Tani will make vlog. Hi guys, so it's 4 AM. इसलिए थोड़ा सा स्लो बात करूँ because obviously everyone at home is sleeping. I completed the challenge. I completed that lecture. I made the notes जो बनाने थे उसके वैसे बने हुए थे मेरे पास, but still जो भी आगे पीछे लिखना था, and I read that concept as well. That is what took a little bit of time. So roughly 40-45 minutes पढ़ाई की मैंने, 30 to 40 minutes rather I would say. But yeah, I completed the challenge, so kudos to me. Before I move on or end this challenge, a few things, or end this vlog, sorry, a few things. I never ever recommend studying CFA or any other course, but let's talk about CFA right now. When you're so tired, because right now you can see I've been yawning in between. Although I stay awake late, today I told you I'm just feeling tired in general, and then obviously it's a hectic day. So now that मेरे पूरे दिन के टास्क ख़त्म हो गए, आई कैन फील द वेट ऑफ द डे. सो यूजुअली ऑन अ मंडे बाई 3 AM माई डे इज़ ओवर. तो अब 2:33 एंड वो भी ऑब्वियसली बाई द एंड ऑफ इट आप नॉर्मल वर्क डे में भी थक जाते हो ना. इवन इन 9 to 5 by 4:30 you're very tired. So by 2:15 I do feel mentally drained. It's not कि मुझे नींद आ रही होती है, but I'm just feeling tired. Obviously since 2:30 to 45 I'm feeling that. So I never recommend that you study on that particular moment or that particular time, because honestly उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. It doesn't make sense. For me, I have already done this chapter. I had just taken it up as a challenge क्योंकि can I push myself through. It was a different situation. That's why I'm applauding myself or proud of myself. But yeah, otherwise I do not recommend it. Keep your plans realistic. Whether or not you join me, keep your plans realistic. By the way, थोड़ा सी पंखे की आवाज़ आ रही है, so please make do now. But yeah, your plan has to be realistic if you want it to be sustainable till the end, and more than anything, if you want results out of it. So this, what I did today, is not something you should do. And I never study on a Monday or a Tuesday like I told you, because मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा hectic days होते हैं. You guys, I think, saw on my planner Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also, but Wednesday से I can start studying a little bit. I can remove certain hours. And if you're running out on short period of time, like नहीं पढ़ा है या बहुत कम टाइम बचा है, and you still having heavy days, then show up. Don't do a lot, but do a little. Like नहीं हो पा रहा दिन में 5-6 घंटे या 3-4 घंटे, okay, start with 30 minutes, pull it up. That usually helps. So yeah, that was a pro tip, because the CFA ज्ञानी me would have really wanted to give that. अब मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. मुझे सोते सोते और 1 घंटा, मुझे 5 बज ही जाएंगे. आई जस्ट नो इट. आई नो माई सेल्फ ना, क्योंकि मुझे अजीब सी ना रात को सोने से पहले, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज़ द वर्ड OCD because I know some people will really find it offensive, but एक अजीब सी, I'm very finicky. Just before going to sleep, I have to clean my, organize my room, organize my things, remove my makeup, take a shower. I don't know, I cannot sleep if I don't do these things. तो मुझे ये सब करना पड़ेगा और इसमें मुझे टाइम लगेगा. Also, guys, obviously I woke up late. That's why my Mondays usually end, like I said, 3 AM से पहले मेरे Monday ख़त्म नहीं होते, touch wood.
ऑब्वियसली दैट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई स्टार्ट माई डे लेट. अगर मैं नॉर्मल इंसानों की तरह अपना दिन 11 बजे शुरू करूँ तो ऑब्वियसली मैं एंड भी जल्दी करूँगी. आई डोंट नो वो कब होगा. दैट इज समथिंग आई रियली नीड टू फिक्स. आई स्वेयर जिस दिन ना मैं मॉर्निंग पर्सन बन गई ना, इट्स ओवर फॉर द वर्ल्ड.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. बस उतना, ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा फ्लॉ है कि मेरे काम में कर लेती हूँ. वेरी डेडिकेटेड. इफ आई प्लान समथिंग आई फिनिश इट. But I need to fix the cycle. You've seen that post, she's a 10 on 10 but is surviving on the 1 p.m. to 4 a.m. sleep cycle. Not happy about it, but that's me. Thankfully, कल सुबह के लिए मेरे कोई कॉल स्केड्यूल नहीं है. थैंक यू बाबा जी. हो, आई होप कॉल्स आए और भी हो, बट अभी के लिए नहीं है. कल सुबह के लिए, मतलब कल मेरे कॉल स्टार्ट होंगे कितने बजे से, 5 बजे आई थिंक. आई कांट रिमेंबर. थैंकफुली सो I can go and sleep अच्छे से and rest myself. Also आपने देखा होगा पढ़ते पढ़ते जो भी नाक की हालत होती जा रही है ना, it's just the air quality guys, it's just the air quality. थोड़ा सा pollution हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. Anyway, that's not the point. Good night and I will see you in the next vlog. उससे पहले in another video. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs by the way, तो मैं बनाऊँगी, because it's not the easiest thing to do, but if you guys want to see it तो मैं बनाऊँगी. And if you like this particular vlog, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.